Welcome back to Talking Tech with TJ. Okay, I got another review for everyone. A couple more toys to play with. So when I get these new toys, when I get that itch, I will be throwing them on my YouTube channel so everybody can check it out. In this review, I got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Pro or S7 Plus. And I have the Samsung book cover. Now let's kick this thing off with this Tab S7 Plus, which is a 12.4 inch screen, which is great for multitasking. All my techies, all my peoples that like to get business or doing business, this is perfect for that. This tablet is not for any kids and anything like that, I don't think. Considering the price tag, I caught a deal on it with the Samsung trade-in. But for our specs, the processor, because I always thought with me, with the computers, I always start off with the processor, which is an 865 Snapdragon processor, which is plenty of power to get do multitasking, do gaming, pretty much anything you want to do as far as a computer goes or a tablet goes. 6 gigs of RAM. And this book cover, keyboard book cover, which is $200 and something. I mean, I don't think it should be $200 and something. I mean, $100 would have been cool, but $200 and something. You know, all these companies, Samsung, Apple, they really be pushing the limits. Because the only thing this thing do is it stores your S Pen, and it's the keyboard. I mean, it's not mechanical. It get the job done with a trackpad, but no, it's not worth $200 and something. But it's the only thing that's out there, and I jumped on it. But let me unbox these and let y'all take a look at it and take it from there. Also, be careful when y'all unbox these things. Don't be like me and cut the box, because you never know, you might have sent these things back. Alright, the big boy, the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Right off the back, you get the tablet. Nice. I had to rub that screen. I thought I had a scratch on it, and I just got the thing. I was most definitely about to send him back. But yeah, 12.40 inch display. This was supposed to be a majestic black. That don't look like majestic black to me, but I might have to look at the receipt on that. But the color ain't gonna really matter because we'll have a case on it anyways. But everything else do matter. As far as RAM and processing power and storage. So let me just sit this thing to the side. Okay. This is what matters right here. This S Pen. Ready for taking notes. Great in a pinch for anything. To jot down notes, to draw, stuff like that. But these S Pens come in handy. You would never know when you might need this thing, especially like if you need to sign a PDF or anything like that. But yeah, I guess that's why that price is up there. But this S Pen is most definitely worth it. Let's put him to the side too. Put him in a box. I might roll away. Here's the power brick. Finally, we got one. Yeah, we finally got one. Yeah, Botanic. At least Samsung will give back. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, get your cables with that. And of course, the usual slim rejector tool and instructions that we never read. Is there anything else in here? Nothing else. All right. So he or she's a big one. Let's see how this thing feels. I'm just picturing how would it feel trying to play PUBG or Call of Duty with this thing. I got big hands, but somebody with small hands might have some serious problems with this. You most definitely need a keyboard with this thing. And here's the good old book cover keyboard. Let's break him open. Slide it out the way. I guess we need instructions for the keyboard too. You know what to do with this. Put that to the side. And here's the $229 keyboard. Now you all tell me in the comments, is this worth $229? Don't look like a mechanical keyboard to me. $229 for this case, just to protect that device and store that SPN. Wow, they're gonna get that money one way or another. But like I said, if you're a techie and you got the money to splurge a little bit, this is the only way you get this tablet. But for kids, that's a no-go. Because you don't want to spend $700-800 and it'll be broken in a couple of days. For the Samsung Tab S7 Plus the Samsung book cover keyboard. Alright, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the review after I pound this thing off for 2 weeks. Alright, peace.